What if I told you that there's a fun and easy way to make $500 every single month? For this, you don't need any skill. You only have to spend 1 or 2 hours a day. If you don't believe me, take a look at this screenshot. This is only by doing simple surveys. Before we go into step-by-step process, if you want to be the first to know about easy side hustles, hit that subscribe button and give a thumbs up. It will also help us to grow. The website that I'm going to talk about today is called Pureprofile. Among other survey-based websites, this one is the best. It's because in this website there are a lot of surveys every time, and they pay up to $6 per survey. Normally, it will take around 15 to 20 minutes to complete a survey. So even if you complete 5 surveys a day, you can earn more than $20. First, you need to set up your Pureprofile account. It's very easy. All you have to do is go to pureprofile.com and sign up like this. You can use your email address for this. After that, you have to select your country, and then they will send a link to your email. You need to go to your email and verify it. So now you are ready to earn. It's simple as that. After that, they will ask you some question about you and your interests. Answer those questions honestly, then you are all set up. As you can see on my screen, if you scroll down, you can see a lot of surveys. If you check upper right side of the survey, you can see how much they pay you to complete the survey. Here is a bonus tip. When you are answering the surveys, don't skip questions. Read them carefully and answer them. Because there are some tricky questions in these surveys to check whether you are paying attention or not. Now let's see how you can withdraw your money. Go to the top of the menu and press Reward. As you can see, you have 3 methods. You can enter your bank details here and withdraw your money easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you think this video is good, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to us for more content.